Hey everybody, welcome in. So in this video, we're going to continue with our office building layout design. So I'm going to create the stairs in this video, so nothing too complicated here. So I'm going to zoom in on this little area right over here on the left. I'm going to go to architecture. I'm going to click on stair. Make sure you have assembled stair, 7-inch max riser, 11-inch tread. And then your location line, we want to make sure that that is set to exterior support right. There's no offset. The actual stair width is going to be 3'6" right here. So if you don't have it, just make sure you type in 3'6". We want to have an automatic landing. So knowing how to create this type of stair is important, because when you go to take your Revit certified user exam, there's always a question about how to create this kind of a stair. So what I'm going to do is, to start my stair, I'm going to kind of click over here somewhere, kind of close to this door, but not really onto it, so a little bit off the door. So I'm going to click on it, the left side, left click it. I'm going to drag straight up. Now you'll notice it says you want to drag straight up till you see 11 risers created. That's really kind of hard to see with that text, but so I have 11 risers created. Make sure you're drawing it straight up. I'm going to left click my mouse, and I'm going to move my mouse straight across to the left to the other side of that wall. Make sure you see a little dashed line. I'm going to left click my mouse again, and this time I'm going to drag it straight down. So you want to, usually I just drag it way straight down so I know that I have all the rest of the stairs locked in, and then left click it. So there is our stair. So notice that our stair is not on this back wall. There's a big gap here, so we don't want anybody kind of climbing the stairs and kind of trying to squeeze their way through this little opening. So I'm going to go up to where you see a line. I'm going to line it to this back face here, and then click the front edge of my stair rail. Might even lock that in. So then I'm going to right click, cancel, right click, cancel again. Now I can hit my green check mark to finish my stair. You're going to get this kind of warning that pops up, but that's okay. The book says it's okay, so we're going to hit the X. So there is kind of one side of our stair. And then you just kind of do the same thing for the other side. So I'm going to zoom over here. Again, I'm going to go to architecture, stair. And this time I'm going to, instead of doing exterior support right, I'm going to click and go exterior support left. Everything else is going to be the same. So again, I'm going to select some place over here by this side of the door. You're going to go up 11 risers. 11 risers created right there. Drag it straight across to the right. Left click it again. Drag it way, way, way straight down. And again, I'm going to zoom in here. I'm going to use my align tool to align the stair to this back wall. There and there. I'm going to hit the lock button just to make sure. I'm going to right click, cancel, right click, cancel again. Hit the green check mark. It says this rail is not continuous. That's okay. Hit the X. So there we have our stairs. Now you're probably thinking, well, we have stairs from the first to the second floor, but we don't have stairs to the second to the third floor. So yeah, that's going to be a problem. But just for right now, I'm going to follow what the book does, and we're just going to leave it like it is. I think there was one more thing. Well, we're going to add some doors. Yeah. So we're going to add these doors, not the exterior doors, but the interior doors to our stairway on our second and third floor. So I think the easiest way to do that is just select this door, hold down Control, and select this door. Now I'm going to go up to where you see clipboard, copy to clipboard. So we have those two copied. And now I'm going to go up to where you see paste. And where you see align to selected levels, I want to select that. And so I want to select level 2, hold control down, select level 3. I'm going to click OK. And then if you go to our level 2, you can see it copied our door. Go to level 3. There's that door there. Now notice we don't have any stairs. Level 2, we can see stairs going down but not up. So, but that's okay. Like I said, we're going to follow what the book says. So I hope that helped. Make sure you save what you have, and I'll see you in the next video. All right, peace out.